So imagine your boss asks for a new metric and you literally spend hours in your data adding columns, writing formulas, and just hoping it doesn't all explode. Does that sound like your life? Stop doing that. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a hidden button that turns your pivot table into an insane calculation machine. We're talking no extra columns, no broken formulas, and no more getting yelled at by your boss. And if you're gonna watch until the end, I'll show you a secret if trick that is a literal cheat code for your reports. So let's get going. So what is this crazy feature? It's called a calculated feed. It's basically a ghost column that lives inside your pivot table and does insane on-the-fly math without ever touching your original data. You write one tiny formula just one time. After that, every single cell calculates itself as you click around. You add a slicer, you change a filter, you drill down into your data, whatever. The math is always instant. It's so fast it'll blow your mind and make you look like a genius. So I'm not going to waste more of your time. Let's build one right now. So here is our data that we have some areas and we have some quantity, some unit price, unit cost, participation day, etc. Now, first of all, we'll create a pivot table from all of this. We'll select all this and we'll go to Insert tab and we'll click on Pivot Table and we'll click on From Table Range. Now, this dialog box will open in which it has already selected the data that we already had there in our sheet. And then it's asking us whether we want this on a new worksheet or we want it on the existing worksheet. So generally, I always create that in a new worksheet. So we'll click the new worksheet and click OK. Now this is our pivot fields. First of all, what we want to do is we want to add our, of course, the areas, and we'll drag the areas into rows. So we'll have all our areas in column A. Now we also want to have a unit price, maybe, or maybe we want to have a quantity. So we'll get these quantity in values. So these are the quantity of sales that have been done in these particular areas. But of course, we want some more magic. And now the magic begins. To add the calculated field option, we'll select somewhere around in this pivot table area, and then we'll go to field items and sets, click here, and then click on calculated field. And now the dialog box will open. First of all, we're going to calculate the revenue. So we'll type in revenue over here. For the calculation of revenue, it's quite simple. There are two factors involved in calculation of revenue. First is our unit price and second is our quantity. To do that, what we're going to do is remove this zero in formula tab, select quantity first and click on insert field. Then we'll multiply this quantity with the unit price. Select unit price, insert field. Unit price is also inserted. Click on OK, and boom, here is our sum of all the revenue that has been generated in these particular areas. A new fully automated revenue field just appeared out of nowhere. No extra columns, no manual work. You thought that was crazy? We are just getting started. Let's now create a profit margin field. Go back to the same calculated field box. And now name this one as profit margin. Click on revenue, insert the insert field. Then open another parenthesis. We are going to have your unit cost and multiply it. Okay, unit cost, insert field, add multiplication sign, and we'll multiply this unit cost with quantity, insert field. You close the parenthesis and you close the next parenthesis as well. And then we'll type the slash and we'll insert over here revenue again because we are going to calculate the margin. Now our formula is set. We'll click on OK, and here you go. Don't be worried, it's all zeros appearing over here, but it's nothing but a formatting issue. We'll sort this out, select all this data, go to Home, and click on this percentage button. There you go. Your profit margin has been calculated, and it's quite simple. Every time you're going to refresh your data, there are no more headaches. It'll all going to get calculated automatically. So before you go crazy with all this, you need to know that these three little things or you will break everything. First, calculated fields cannot reference cells like A1, A2, B2, etc. They only work with the field names in your list. These field names are the only references that calculated field can take. Secondly, if you rename a column in your original data, any calculated field using it will explode. You have to open the calculated field and fix the formula with the new name. So you have to be very careful using using these calculated fields when you are renaming your original data set. Third, your grand totals might be weird. This is because Excel recalculates the total from the source data, not from the numbers you see. Always double check that, and the grand total actually makes sense. So these were the three things. There you have it. You now have the key to unlock the hidden calculation engine in every pivot table. Say goodbye to wasting hours on helper columns and formulas that always break. I'm challenging every single person watching this video. Go create one calculated field today. Start with revenue, then try profit margin. If you feel like you just got your life back, destroy that like button. It'll help us grow. It'll help our channel grow, and do subscribe us as well for more insane Excel tricks. It's time to stop you just looking at data and start actually understanding it. Until next time, take care.